How to set up email on Squarespace. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Squarespace and this is how it will look like. Now on the left hand side panel, you will be able to see different options. Simply select the option of settings and after that wait for it to load. Now over here on the left hand side, you will be able to find the option of domains and email. Simply select it. Now connect your domain, and after connecting your domain, simply log into Google Workspace, and after that you will have to choose whether you want a monthly plan or annual plan. Accordingly, just select it, and after that you would be requiring to put all your details like your name, your surname, and your email that you want to set up, and all sort of things. You can also change the currency of your account by clicking on the top right hand side corner, and this way you would be able to set up the email with your Squarespace. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.